Hello kids, today we learn about months of the year. So kids, do you know how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. January. Number 1. January. February. Number 2. February. March. Number 3. March. April. Number 4. April. May. Number 5. May. June. Number 6. June. July. Number 7. July. August. Number 8. August. September. Number 9. September. October. Number 10. October. November. Number 11. November. December. Number 12. December. First month. J A N U A R Y. January. First month is January. Number 2. F E B R U A R Y. February. Second month is February. Number 3. M A R C H. March. Number 3. March. Number 4. A P R I L. April. Number 5. M A Y. May. Number 6. J U N E. June. Number 7. J U L Y. July. Number 7. Number 8. A U G U S T. August. Number 9. S E P T E M B E R. September. Number 10. O C T O B E R. October. Number 11. N O V E M B E R. November. Number 12. D E C E M B E R. December. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye. See you next time.